Hey everybody, it's Michelle Metzner and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a customized home page in the Canvas Learning Management System. So let's go ahead and get started. When you first log into your Canvas system, you are placed here on the dashboard. This shows you your published courses and your unpublished courses. As you can see right now, I only have 2 unpublished courses in here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one on the left in blue. And this takes us to our home page. Now, this home page isn't anything to look at. In fact, I believe it's the module landing page. That's what I have the home page set to. So I want it to look just a shade snazzier. So we're going to make some changes to it. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create an actual new home page. And we're going to do that by going to the Pages link right here in the course navigation menu on the left. So click on Pages. And we're going to need to create a new page. So we'll go ahead and click on this plus page icon in the upper right corner. And this takes us to our editing area. The first thing we want to do, of course, is we want to give our page a title. So this is Metzner homepage. Okay. And then down here is our text editor. I'm going to click in the text editor and just enter a couple of blank lines and then go back up to the top because I know I'm going to add an image here, and if I don't add those extra couple of lines, it's going to be a real pain to try and add things below the image in a little bit. So I just wanted to add those couple lines of padding there. And now we're going to come over here to our Add Images icon, and we'll click on it. And I'll upload an image because I have one saved to the computer already. So I'm just going to click in this box, and it's going to tell me where I'm going. I'm going to click that, and there's our image. And so now I just want to hit the Submit button. And as you can see, it's placed automatically over here on the left. If I want to go ahead and center it, I'll click the image and come here to my alignment area in the toolbar, and then I'm going to click Center Align, and that's going to move it to the center. Now it's looking a little small right now, so I'm just going to grab one of these little handles in the corners, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and you'll see it automatically resizes it for me. Okay, it looks like I need a little bit more room in my editor area. So what I'm going to do is come right down here to this series of dots, and I'm just going to click and drag, and that'll give me a little bit more room in the editor. And so I want to make my image just a shade bigger, and again, it'll automatically center that for me. Okay. All right. So now that I have my banner or my image there, now I want to add basically buttons so that people can, it's the navigation buttons. And I want to do that by clicking below the image, and this is where those extra lines come in handy. So I'm going to click below the image and come up here to the table tool. And I'm going to click the table tool, and you have your option of creating a table, cell, row, column. So right now I need to create a table, and I'm going to want 9 buttons. So I'm going to do a 3x3 design. And so I'll mark off 9 boxes there, and you'll see I've got a 9 area table, like a 9 cell table. Okay. And in those boxes, I want to go ahead and highlight all of them and come up here to my alignment area and click Align Center. And then I don't know if it'll take it, but I'm going to hit bold and see if that turns my text bold when I type it in here. So as you can see, the alignment is set to center. And now I just want to type in the names of the links or the buttons. Okay. So this first one is going to be announcements, and I see it did not take my bold, but it will here in a little bit. And then I'm just going to continue typing these in here, and I'll catch up with you again once they're all entered. Okay, as you can see, I've got all of my what will be links entered. And so I just wanted to highlight all of these and turn them bold. And if I want, I can change the color. Okay, so let's do a nice, let's do a darker blue. So once we click out of that, we see that all of our links will be blue. Okay. And so that's looking pretty good right now. I'm just going to click Save and Publish. And once we do that, here's what this looks like. So now what I want to do is I want to go to View All Pages. And we will see our new page is here at the top. And then I want to click this little box to the left of the name of the page. And then I want to come over here and click the 3 dots to reveal this drop-down menu. And I want to make this Use as Front Page. Okay. So you'll see right here, it says Front Page underneath Metzner Homepage. And this is going to be very important here in just a second. Now what I want to do is I want to come up here to the home link in the course navigation bar and click that. And I need to change the course homepage. So over here in the far right menu, I'm going to click on Choose Course Homepage. And then I'm going to click this radio button right here to the left of Pages Front Page, Metzner Homepage. And then I'm going to click Save. And now, when someone clicks Home, this is what they're going to see. Now, the problem with this right now is that none of these are active links, right? So we have to change that. The way you do that is by coming right up here to Edit. And then we have our page. We'll come down here into the table. And we will go ahead and highlight announcements. Now I want to come up here to the link section and click on Course Link, because this is a link that is already existing in the course. If I wanted to link to a YouTube video or any other external source that is not already in the course, then I would click External Link. But because all of these links right now are inside of the course, we're going to click Course Link. And then this pops up. And down at the very bottom, we want to go to Course Navigation and open that submenu by clicking the arrow. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit and we see Announcements, so we're going to click Announcements. The Announcements page is now linked in our home page, and we're just going to continue this process with the remaining links. So I'm going to highlight Assignments, and then I'm going to find Assignments in our course navigation and click on Assignments, and then that should be linked to Assignments. Do the same thing, discussions, and we'll continue. Okay, and once we're all done, we'll go ahead and click Save down here in the lower right corner. And then we'll hit Home. And then as you can see, each of these has a line under it that indicates that it is a link now. So when I click on Grades, this takes me to the gradebook. Okay. We'll open this and go back home. When I click on Assignments, this takes me to the assignments. Okay. All right. So there you have it. That's just a real quick and dirty on how to create a customized home page in the Canvas Learning Management System. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at michelle.metzner@wright.edu and I will be happy to answer them. Until next time.